Back on with this intake manifold, guys. The saga continues. I did put the engine in with the crosswind. I still haven't completely decided if I'm going to fire this engine up with this intake. In the meantime, as I said in the last video, I just went ahead and ordered what was available, and we're going to unbox this Edelbrock AIRGAP from Jegs. I like how Jegs uses FedEx ground too, because the duty's pretty cheap and shipping's pretty cheap. Oh yay, they sent me a sticker. Last time they didn't. Last two orders they didn't send me a sticker. Here we go. Haha. Look at that beauty. 75, 76. I must be bolted to that cardboard. Anyway, there she is. Oh, look at that. They even give you a fitting for the front. Oh, yay, Edelbrock stickers. I thought I was going to have to use that thing out of this one. I mean, you can see they even put care into packaging this thing, so it's not going to rattle around in the box. It's plastic wrapped to this piece of cardboard and then put inside the box. The crosswind doesn't have that. In fact, it has the opposite of that. I'm just really excited to have this quality piece. So stay tuned, and I'll follow this up when this is on the engine and running. But anyway, we'll follow that up at another time.